My fucking thing pressed. Oh, there we go. That's so delayed.
Bound.
Yeah.
Feels
No, he never
weird.
follows when I want him to.
I mean, don't use iframe early. Just wait for it. Okay, I guess I
No,
cancel
if I
hybrid.
wait to see it, it's not gonna activate in time. It
I'm gonna
never
stop
does.
attacking.
Yeah, he's low.
I'm swapping.
This one is weird.
Oh.
You swapped? Okay, I go swap.
Mm-hmm.
Let's keep squeezing it, Mitch.
Mm-hmm.
So when everyone is ready, we... Bora, don't risk it. I saw Bora around. Right altar is up, watch out.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just tease it a bit.
What's the timers?
I've got 30 seconds left in him. Yeah.
Okay, we slow down, I guess. The slow hits. Watch out the arrows, guys. They blind you.
That hits me?
Which?
Okay.
The bomb?
Yeah.
Maybe it's server delay, that's why.
I didn't feel like it was near me.
Okay, my best is
I'm
come up.
ready.
Let's do it.
How much, Ray?
He's ready, I'm ready.
Okay, where is he? Okay,
Apple,
I'm... Apple? I did too.
Nice. Mitch, burst P2, blind P2, yes everyone, don't you worry.
P2! Mitch, buy P2!
Apple,
Sure.
apple.
Down.
Ray, you so late.
I forgot.
We used already.
Bomb.
Oh!
Oh, there's a vine, I'm in burst.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
I got it. Sorry.
I lost a bit. But I feel like my brain needed to process it.
Oh, stop! Damage!
No, we still won version.
It was chunking. I don't know.
Okay, let's keep doing. Laser. That's okay. Stay dead, guys. Stay dead.
I'm gonna stop Simon, stop it.
0.5.
Okay.
0.4. 0.3.
Diamond. Same spot on top of Andrew.
They're still up. Okay, hold on.
Ray, the timers, Ray.
0.2. I'm at 50 seconds. And we're
What?
cutting. Wait, 50 seconds.
50?
45 now. 45.
Okay, let's kill it. We get the up sadly. Get ready for test. Test is ready.
Top right.
Top right.
Top left.
Top left. Sorry, then if you can.
Oh yeah. That next bottom.
Bottom.
Right.
Right.
Last one left.
Yes, left.
Yeah, I have 7 seconds.
Oh, it's okay. I need to charge arc skills.
Wait, yeah, why did we pop it so early?
I can activate it now. Yeah, I think
Because we had few damage. But like, it's better. Fine.
Oh,
Let's it down.
Bomb.
I'm gonna stop attacking this one next killing us slowly.
1.5, 1.4, 1%.
Okay, damage.
0.6.
Where is my hypogram? I cannot see it. Okay, never mind. Okay, watch out the damage.
Oh my god, he hit me.
Stay dead. Fine.
Laser. Or beam, whatever it's called.
I was gonna land on top of it.
I should have been on top.
He disappeared. Okay.
Oh,
Bottom, middle. Diamond.
top right.
Top right.
I'm at 50 seconds.
Right altar. Clear when you can. Once when you can, sorry.
I'm at 45.
Laser, laser,
Oh,
laser,
laser.
laser. Okay. 45.
Yeah.
I'm 45
Okay, you
as
guys
well.
ready?
I'm
Okay,
at, I'm at
let's
35, so activate now.
let's kill it so we
30
don't get
seconds.
FMA. Nice, nice
Okay,
test.
Left.
Left, 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 left.
Top
Left
left.
again.
Top
Watch
right.
out, arrows. The arrows more than once because we have more. We are in second section.
Right. I'm gonna
Right.
miss.
Watch out that laser. It kills you.
Top right.
Top right. It will be bottom.
There's a door.
Watch out the arrows.
Bottom.
Bottom.
Bottom. Nice.
Oh, thank God. I thought there's another one with that.
Watch out the arrows they kill. Damn,
they
I'm
do
lagging
damage?
so hard. Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna bind it when it's back up. Alright, it's bounded. Snake. Down,
Watch out the arrows. They are more than one stack of the arrows because of the phase we are killing each other.
Where's it down?
Oh, wow.
Alright, stop. Oh,
I got stuff.
Watch out, arrows. Let's see cleanse right. Let's see cleanse right. If you can, don't risk your lives, please.
Yep, I'm trying to get away from it.
Diamond.
Holy, thank you. I almost died for that. Cleanse right. Keep cleansing
Got
right.
one
He's
on
bottom. Watch out the laser. If there's laser, I didn't count. Oh, there was. Stay dead. Stay dead. Stay dead. Stay dead.
Get
I'm
away
at
from
15.
him. My summon.
Oh fuck.
My summon's gone.
Okay, 45.
I stopped rings.
Okay, let's.
I'm at 40. Can do it like.
Okay, let's
Start
do it.
attacking now.
Wait.
Yeah. Top left.
Coming.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wow. Okay, test.
Top left.
Top
Top left.
left. Top left. Please don't die. Let's clear it.
Right. Mid right.
A door if you can.
Okay, left. mid
Right,
left.
left. Top right. It will be bottom.
Yeah.
Mid bottom. Ah, good time. Okay, this is a full burst.
Watch out the arrows. Please stay alive.
Yeah.
Oh, beam.
watch
Laser.
Okay.
We got this.
It's a full bend.
Stay dead.
Stay there. I can burst it in 8 seconds at the top of this.
I got
I'm gonna
50
blind it.
seconds.
I'm gonna bind
First
myself.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, got it. I'm bursting. Everyone stay alive.
Take
Blitz
the
down.
arrow.
Yes!
We need you up, right?
Yes!
Let's go! Oh
Yes!
Oh,
Congrats!
sweet.
Congrats! Holy.
Thank
Okay,
you
let's.
for the carry.
No,
Wait,
don't touch it.
hold on.
Don't touch it.
Wait. Someone hit a lot. Okay.
That was my
Holy
summon.
shit.
Wow, that's